Get your career kick-started today. Welcome to the Career Channel. In this tutorial, you will learn why the hiring manager is asking you to tell the recruiting panel, "Please tell us about yourself." We will give you 8 great examples of words and descriptions you can use in your answer as inspiration. We will give you 2 high-scoring answers for both experienced and inexperienced applicants. Finally, we will show you where you can access all of this information in a premium guide that is completely free. Let's get started. Just quickly, please subscribe to the channel as it encourages us to keep bringing you great content, and we love to work with you. Thank you. Hiring managers ask the question, "Tell me about yourself," for several reasons, but 2 primary objectives stand out. Reason 1, assessing your communication skills. This question provides the hiring manager with an immediate sense of your communication skills. How you articulate your thoughts, present information, and structure your response can convey a lot about your ability to communicate effectively. Why it matters. Strong communication skills are often critical in many professional roles. The hiring manager wants to understand if you can express yourself clearly, concisely, and confidently. Your response to this question sets the tone for the rest of the interview and can influence the manager's perception of your overall communication abilities. Reason 2, getting to know you beyond the resume. Explanation. While the hiring manager has your resume, this question allows them to learn more about you beyond the qualifications listed on paper. It's an opportunity for you to provide a narrative that highlights your strengths, motivations, and personal attributes. Why it matters. Understanding the person behind the resume is crucial for evaluating cultural fit and assessing if you align with the company's values. The hiring manager is interested in your background, experiences, and aspirations to gauge how well you might integrate into the team and contribute to the organization's success. So here are some great examples of words and descriptions that you can use to inspire your own answer. These 8 great words are the sorts of things that the panel will be looking for. Aim to have an example to back up your choices of words. Are you a problem solver, loyal, forward-thinking, or would you describe yourself as adaptable and cost-conscious? However you choose to describe yourself, be clear as to why you believe so. Let's get on to the 2 great answers for the question, "Tell me about yourself." We have 2 high-scoring answers coming up for you to listen to and use as inspiration to tell your own story. We will also show you where you can get these slides and answers in a free premium interview preparation pack. Let's take a look at the first one. Answer for candidates with no previous experience. Thank you for the opportunity. While I don't have direct work experience in the field, I am enthusiastic and well prepared to contribute to the role through a combination of my educational background, skills, and personal attributes. I recently completed my studies in my chosen courses, as you will have seen on my application. Throughout my academic journey, I've gained a solid foundation in those areas of study and developed strong analytical and problem-solving skills. My coursework involved projects that have allowed me to apply theoretical knowledge in practical scenarios. In addition to my academic achievements, I have actively sought opportunities to enhance my skills. For instance, I completed volunteer work and shadowing to deepen my understanding of this sector. These experiences have equipped me with a solid base, and I am eager to apply these skills in a real-world work environment. Moreover, I possess excellent communication and interpersonal skills developed through group projects, presentations, and my involvement in my volunteer work. These experiences have honed my ability to collaborate effectively within a team and communicate complex ideas clearly. I am particularly drawn to this position because, having read the job description, I can see that it aligns with my skills and aspirations. Although I am at the beginning of my professional journey, I am motivated, quick to learn, and committed to contributing my best to the team. In summary, my educational background, skills, and personal qualities, coupled with my eagerness to learn and contribute, make me a promising candidate for this position. I'm excited about the opportunity to bring my passion and fresh perspectives to your team. Here's an in-depth answer for an applicant with previous work experience. Thank you for the opportunity. I'm excited to discuss my experiences and how they align with the requirements of this role. I've spent the last few years developing a strong foundation in this industry, gaining valuable skills in key areas. In my most recent role, I served as an administrator where I coordinated the office activities. One of my key accomplishments was supporting to roll out a new software program to manage shift patterns, which allowed me to gain some experience in project management as well as demonstrating my ability to adapt and showcase my IT skills. One of my key strengths is being a problem solver and my adaptability. I am particularly adept at being customer-centric, and I believe this strength will contribute significantly to the success of your team. Additionally, I'm known for my strong analytical skills and ability for effective collaboration. Complementing my professional experience, I hold a qualification from a respected university. My academic background has equipped me with a solid understanding of resource awareness and problem solving. I continue to stay updated on industry trends through workshops, continuous learning, and subscriptions to industry magazines. I am particularly drawn to this opportunity because I can see the passion and drive here. I am impressed by the company commitment to innovation and values. I believe my background in this sector will help me to contribute meaningfully to your team. In summary, my diverse experiences, coupled with my strengths outlined, make me confident in my ability to excel in this position. I am eager to bring my expertise to and contribute to agreed goals and objectives. I look forward to discussing how my skills and experiences align with your team's needs. Next up, more great answers to common interview questions. These include, what are your strengths and weaknesses? Why do you want to work for this company, and why should we hire you? Right, let's get into it. So, when the recruiting manager asks, what are your strengths and weaknesses? Here is a high-scoring answer to inspire your own tailored version. Your explanation will, of course, include the keywords that you believe to be true about yourself. You could mention, I'm a confident communicator, or I have a great passion for problem solving and the customer is at the center of everything I do. Be honest about your weakness, but show you have taken steps to address it. When asked by the hiring team, why do you want to work for this company? Here's a perfect answer to help you frame your own version to suit your personal drivers for wanting the job. It might be that you use their products, love the culture, or that you feel your skills are particularly suited to their products or services. Use this as an opportunity to showcase any knowledge you have about the company. You could say you have excellent online reviews and I love your products and I use them myself. Be complimentary about their culture and mention any projects you are aware that the company is running. When asked by the recruiting panel, why should we hire you? Again, here's a great answer that will score well. But you can tailor it to suit your own explanations as to why you believe the recruiter should choose you. Try and demonstrate your thinking about the bigger picture, such as, I'm cost-conscious and aware to be efficient with company resources. Make sure you tell your own story and make it memorable. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We love working with you and it really motivates us when we get more enthusiastic subscribers on board. Why not stop by the store for some premium merch? Don't forget to sign up for our interview preparation pack. It's completely free. Thanks for watching.